Decoding the office chair, savior or silent killer of the spine.
So let's compare two different ways of bending over and lifting.
Decoding the deadly phone syndrome and neck and shoulder pain. The cervical spine's physiological curve changes with different pillows. Decoding the back brace, temporary savior, or core muscle laziness.
Hey guys, for this experiment, we're gonna dive in to the hip hinge.
Decoding uneven backpack or bag wearing, the habit that silently causes spinal curvature. The sinking bed experiment. What is the ideal firmness for a healthy spine?
Decoding the role of the psoas muscle in chronic lower back pain. The micro-break solution experiment. Decoding pregnancy back pain. The physiological and mechanical shift.
The incorrect posture leads to uneven load distribution and strain.
Decoding gluteal amnesia and its link to lower back pain.
So what causes this pain and discomfort for runners, specifically in the knees and the back?
Decoding yoga or Pilates. Which choice is more friendly for degenerative spinal conditions?
Foam rolling for the back. To do or not to do? Wrong breathing, a habit that unintentionally increases back muscle tension.
We'll analyze the mechanics of classic crunches and show how they can potentially harm your back. When a disc herniates, it can press directly on the sciatic nerve. Decoding the ankle office disease and its upward effect on the spine. The cat-cow technique is a gentle exercise to heal a stiff spine.
What to do for acute back pain in the first 48 hours. The RICE principles are rest, ice, compression, and elevation.
The bent knee position significantly reduces pressure on the lumbar discs and relaxes the psoas muscle. In our weightlifting experiment, we'll examine the 3 most common gym mistakes causing back pain. Decoding the link between obesity and back pain, focusing on increased mechanical load and the role of adipose tissue in systemic inflammation. The warrior pose experiment, effective hip stretching to reduce lower back pain. Decoding blue light, the #1 enemy of melatonin and deep sleep.
While the 20-20-20 rule specifically targets eye strain, it's also worth experimenting with.
Decoding caffeine after 2 p.m., half-life cycle and impact on REM sleep.
Decoding stress and cortisol. Why does anxiety keep you awake? Cause: high cortisol, stress hormone.
Wearable sleep trackers experiment. Are they reliable?
Decoding power nap. How much is enough to not ruin night sleep? Explanation. Short.
Today, we're exploring the late dinner experiment, specifically how it impacts your REM quality. Tryptophan is an essential amino acid, which means it cannot be produced by the body and must be obtained through the diet.
Decoding social jet lag, the weekend sleep-in habit that destroys circadian rhythm.
The ideal sleep position. Is stomach sleeping really the worst habit? Recommendation: left side sleeping.
Decoding restless leg syndrome and insomnia.
These points can help activate your parasympathetic nervous system, easing your body and mind into a state of deep relaxation. Inhale gently through your nose for a count of 4.
A warm bath, about 90 minutes before bed, is an ideal time to lower your body temperature. Decoding insomnia in the elderly. Changes in circadian rhythm and hormones. Even small amounts of light can interrupt deep sleep due to the melatonin effect. Decoding the role of deep sleep in brain detoxification. Weighted blankets work by increasing serotonin.
Decoding the link between alcohol and sleep quality.
The exercise when joints hurt experiment. To continue or rest completely.
Decoding knee osteoarthritis. How cartilage wears down and how to preserve it.
The gait experiment. 3 common walking errors that stress hips and knees.
Is kinesio-taking support mechanical or just psychological?
Vitamin C acts as a critical cofactor in collagen synthesis. Welcome to the squat experiment, where we explore the multi-joint exercise and how to protect your knees.
Ice baths after exercise can reduce inflammation and aid in muscle recovery.
It's the varied training experiment. Why you should not just train one muscle group like running. Decreased atmospheric pressure causes joints to expand and stimulates pain receptors.
The grip strength test is a simple and effective tool for assessing overall health.
Impinging the median nerve.
When excessive flexibility harms your joints, we need to focus on strength to stabilize them.
The experiment aims to understand the benefits of walking on uneven terrain for strengthening ankle and knee stabilizing muscles.
Humidity significantly impacts the viscosity of synovial fluid. Welcome to functional recovery exercises after an ACL injury. Decoding age-related muscle loss, impact on joints, and how to fight it.
Welcome to our driving posture experiment.